Yan, rep, yan, rep. Oras na, rep. Saan si Alcala, sir? Alcala, kung may kaso ka pa sa kuha na Abu Dhabi Bombers, ha? Usap tayo. Ano, asan si Alcala?
Wala po sir eh.
Punta?
Hindi ko lang po alam.
Sabihin mo mamaya, pagbawas-bawas, ha? Ano yung bibigay mo? Sabihin mo, sabihin mo. It's Dubai versus Omar Quay. Rep, sino rep?
Oh, sir, first five tayo!
Tayo. Rep, ball game rep, ball game rep. It's Omar Quay against Dubai. It's Dubai versus Omar Quay. Our interim rates by Basketballista. And still we're live on the Facebook page. First position of Dubai. Anderson. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Anderson. It's 3-0. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, no, Magway! It's 3-all. Crooks. 40 to shoot. Anderson again. 10. Too strong. Now, Alcuin ball. Alcuin. 9 minutes. 3-all. Nice pass. Kabagag. Second shot, too strong, rebound. Again, in and out, Busalpa. To Aquino. Aquino. In and out, top, rebound on Omar Quay. It's 3-all. It's 3-2. Galvez Crooks goes to post. Nice shot. Now 5-3. It's 2-point lead of Omar Quay. Busalpa, Aquino, Crooks, favorite shot by Crooks, bang! By Crooks. 5-all, 8 minutes. To shoot. In and out. Baseball back, Busalpa. Now he's still again on Omar Quay, Amigos. Now it's 4-2. Nice ball! Oh, what a pass! Now 7-5. 2-point lead now, Omar Quay. Anderson. Side step. Pirarka to Crooks. Favorite shot again. Too strong. Rebound again, Omar Quay. It's 7 minutes and 30 seconds. 5 against 7. Time to shoot. Crooks rebound. Now Crooks. Guarded by Kabakang. Busal pa. Short. Omagway. 7 minutes. Now, si Kalagan, Kabakang. Yes on Kabakang. It's 9-5. 4-point lead on Omagway. Now Anderson. Looking for Aquino. In and out by Aquino. Now Luntok. 40 to shoot. Luntok. 10. Kabakang. 5. Out air ball. Crooks. To Anderson. Nice pass. Yes on Aquino. Coming from Anderson. 7-9. It's 2-point lead on Omagway. 6 minutes. Untuk Gadi Pilarga. Block by Pilarga. Crooks. Anderson again. Anderson pass to Aquino. Now 9-all. It's 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Nice defense by Pilarga. Anderson, it's 2-1. Anderson stop ball to strong Kabakang. Now Luntok. Luntok again. Top. Pow. Foul on Crooks. First on Crooks. First personal foul against Crooks. Now 10-9. It's 1-point lead on Malkay. Tap. It's Dubai ball. Dubai. 5 minutes. 10-9. It's only 1-point lead on Omagway. Now Busalpa. Anderson. Back to Busalpa. Aquino. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, nag-time out. Wala, good ball. 12-10. It's 2-point lead now on Dubai. Now 14 to shoot. Luntok. 10. Short. Kabakang. Tap. Play Luntok. Walang maog. Coming from Kabakang to Luntok. 12-all. It's first deadlock of the game. Now Anderson. Aquino. Pilarga. Intercepted Kabakang. Crooks. 10 to shoot. Black. Oh, it's still by Aquino. Pilarga. Oh, nice move by Pilarga. It's 14 against 12. 2-point lead on Dubai. Gutierrez. Luntok. Nice pass. 10 to shoot. Kabakang. It's traveling violation. Time out. Oh, normal Quay. Now 14-12 is score. 2-point lead on Dubai. Three minutes and 39 seconds. Now Aquino.
8 lang din na, wala nang plus no. 8 lang din sila. Anderson.
Anderson. Busalba. 10 to shoot. Rebound ng Luntok. Now Luntok. Looking for Kabakang. Kabakang move. Kabakang left-handed shot by Kabakang. 14 all. It's 3 minutes. Brooks. Anderson. Air ball. Rebound by Luntok. Now Luntok. To Gutierrez. Gutierrez. It's 3-on-2. Gutierrez. Gutierrez nice pass to Luntok. Luntok pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez back to Luntok. For 3-second violation against Luntok. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Aquino. Too strong. Tap. Crooks. Back to Anderson.
Busalba.
14 to shoot. 10. 5.
Aquino. Aquino. Mercado Gutierrez.
Now Anderson.
Luntok. Oh!
Anderson again. Anderson. Pass to Pilar Capet. Pilar Capet to shoot.
Ayun, hindi na pala shoot. Ay,
Too strong. Anderson.
saan? Ay,
It's Omar Quain ball. Omar Quain. It's 1 minute and 50 seconds. Kabakang. Mercado. Whoa! Mercado. 16 to 14. 2 point din on Omar Quain. Pilarca.
Anderson.
Anderson fake. Anderson side step. Looking for Aquino. Aquino short. Rebound again ng Luntok. Luntok. To Gutierrez. It's 2-on-2. Gutierrez to Luntok. Luntok drive. Luntok. Yes on Luntok. Now 18 against 14. It's 4-point lead of Omar Quain. Now Kabakang top. Busalba. Back to Anderson. Still again by Gutierrez. It's 3-on-2. Now nice pass to Cow. Turnover on Omar Quain. It's 55 seconds. Now Aquino.
Grabe ka. Grabe ka.
45 seconds.
Ding, hindi sila magbagana.
Pilarca. He's still by Luntok. Luntok, 1-and-1. Luntok, drive. Luntok, nice pass downside to short. Mercado. Now 20 against 14. It's 6-point lead on Omar Quain. 20 seconds. 15. Again, too strong. 12 seconds.
Yan na si Alcala.
5 seconds.
Luntok.
And over first quarter, our score is 20 against 14. Oh, it's 6-point lead on Omar Quain. The second quarter ready, second quarter. Omar Quain ball, Omar Quain.
Pido Arganza. 10. 10 Di Guzman. Kabakang.
Second quarter.
Primo Busalpa. Same. Arganza. Pido. Arganza.
Argonza. Air ball, top.
Di Guzman. 10 Di Guzman. Primo. Ay, Primo.
Bang! Cross! 16 to 20.
Primo 28.
Now Argonza. Kabakang. Mercado. Still again by Crocs. Kabakang. To Argonza. Too strong. Mercado. Foul! Foul on number 5 on Busalpa. First on Busalpa. First team foul on the bye. First basket ng Mercado. 9 minutes, 21 against 16. It's 5-point lead on Omaquin. Now 22-16, 6-point lead on Omaquin. Our second game, second match.
Enggak. Itu kakaknya. Itu kakaknya. Lapit na. Push na agad.
Argonza.
It's Omaquin ball, Omaquin. Seven minutes and 24 seconds.
Mga bata pa ang mga parang.
14 to shoot. Too strong by Busalpa. Crocs again. Block by Agonza. Now Kabakang. It's same ball. Same ball. Six minutes and 50. It's 11 to shoot. 11 seconds to shoot. Ten. Di Guzman. Aragonza again. Nice pass by Pino. 10 to shoot. Mercado. Again top. Busalpa. All alone. Aquino. It's 18 to 22 now. 4-point lead on the bye. Omaquin. Now it's still again by Busalpa. 3 on 2. Anderson drive. Block by Agonza. 6 minutes. Argonza goes to goal. Di ba Mercado peg. Mercado ball. Basket count. And 1 on Mercado. 24 is 18. It's 6-point lead on Omaquin. First on Aquino. Second team foul on the bye. In and out, top. Rebound on Busalpa. Started by Argonza. Aquino. Air ball on Aquino.
Sinanay mo rin kasi ako hindi magsalita.
24-18, it's 5 minutes and 23 seconds. Dubai versus Omaquin. Our Emirates by basketballista. Guzman. Again, in and out, Busalpa. Looking for Aquino. Aquino again, pass back to Aquino. 20 against 24. It's 4-point lead on Omaquin. Now, Kabakang. Looking for Argonza. Pino. Pino. 26 to 20. In 6-point lead on Omaquin. Pino re-intercept by Pino. Pino drive, looking for Argonza. Black short. It's same ball.
Argonza.
4 minutes. Yes, on Pino. Oh, Crocs! 22-28. Foul. Foul on number 5 on Musalpa.
Rizal pa second. Third team foul. Labasan.
14 to shoot.
Because no. Ay, oh! Oh!
3 minutes.
Proxy.
Time out. On our way.
24. Oh, Malquay. Oh, Malquay. Period 2. Sabi ni Jax, nakabayad na daw siya.
It's only 4-point lead on Omalquay. 28 against the 28-4.
Argonza coast to coast.
Bang! Basket count and one on Argonza. Foul on Primo. Warning for penalty in Dubai.
Primo first. Gonza. Oh! Oh!
It's same ball. Same ball. 2 minutes and 21 seconds.
Gonza! Aywa! Di magka-shoot.
Aquino. Musalba.
Bang!
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Musalba. Now 3-point lead on Malquay. It's 27 against 30.
Oh!
It's a ball. 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Argonza. Oh!
Steal by Argonza. Argonza, dive, Argonza looking for the Silva. De Pera, look, there's the best short. Foul. Guzman. Time out on Dubai. It's 1 minute 11 seconds. This timeout is brought to you by Cora Sports, Basketballista, and Omar Quay.
You told me.
It's Dubai ball, Dubai. Inbounding Anderson. Musalpa.
Tig-anim lang sila ng player.
Nice pass to Aquino.
Oh no.
Now Pido.
Pido! Oh! Basaw pa.
Napili mo yung pido.
Rocks to Anderson. Ow! Too strong against Anderson. 35 seconds.
Kabakam.
Black by Primo.
Ah!
Kabagang. Nice move. In and out again by Kabagang. Now Anderson, it's through to Anderson, pag-cross, cross! Sino na pag-cross? Mercado, 15 seconds. Black by Primo. 10, now, Argonza, Mercado. Yes, on Mercado, 32 to 27, 5 seconds.
Bang!
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Anderson, it's 32 against the 30.
Oh, bawas tayo, bawas. Shh. Oh, bawas tayo, bawas. Bawas tayo.
Boss Mike! Aanin kami.
Sino may balance nyo? Ha?
Come next game!
Last game yun na ngayon ah.
35 na lang eh. 45, 35. Sige ba, wala eh. May matataas.
Boss, 200 lang muna, boss. Kung, hindi sa akin.
Suklihan mo, Boss Mike, sa kanya, sa girlfriend ata yan. Sa girlfriend ni Alcala.
Bilis ka hindi ah.
Wala nga.
Hanapan kita, Alcala.
Ha?
Hanapan kita.
Gusto ko yan.
Sa ikaw na lang, ba't ayaw mo?
Third quarter, third.
Pag mga bata,
It's a Malpaid ball, on Malpaid.
Nasa labas eh.
umihin naman, grabe ka naman. Acceptable naman.
It's 32 to 30.
Wala tayong plus ha, kulang kayo, kulang din sila ha. 6 sila, 8 kayo, Asyam.
Plus 2.
It's a Malpaid ball, on Malpaid.
Bata, wala si Gaintano, wala si Babaran, wala si Di Guzman.
Oh, Malpaid ball, change court tayo, change court.
Second kayo?
Oh, Dubai tayo, Dubai. Third quarter, Dubai. Now Anderson. Pilarka, looking for Crooks. In and out. Rebound on the Yo-Yo Man now. Yo-Yo Man takes out the Yo-Yo Man. Bang! On the Yo-Yo Man, it's 34. Against the 30. It's 4-point lead now, Malpaid. Pilarka to Gusalba. Back to Pilarka. Drive, side step. Corner pocket, short. Rebound ng Pino. And the Yo-Yo Man again. Yo-Yo Man, nice pass! Steal by Pilarka.
Mga bata pa ang
Now Gusalba. Crooks. It's turnover again on Dubai. It's 9 minutes. Third quarter. Now Pino. Carmen Primo. Wala mo! Coming from Pino, now 36 Again to Sturdy. Primo.
Veterans move.
Short, top, Argonza. Down. Nice steal by Anderson. Left-handed shot by Anderson. 32-36. It's 4-point lead of Malquain. 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Now Pino. Too strong. Top, rebound on Pilarca. Crocs.
Veterans move.
Crocs again.
Oh, no.
Blocked by Argonza. Anderson. 10 to shoot.
Primo.
5.
Busalpa.
Whoa! Busalpa. 36 to 34. It's 2-point lead on Malquain. Still again on Pilarca. Pilarca to Busalpa. Busalpa, 1-on-1 by Gutierrez. Busalpa, move, nice defense by Gutierrez. Now Argonza.
Lido.
Now top. Pilarca again. Pilarca to Anderson. Anderson, guarded by Anderson. Air ball. Rebound on Busalpa. Now 36 all. It's 6 minutes and 23 seconds. This is our third deadlock of the game. Malquain versus Dubai.
Alcala. Argonza. Oh. Oh, because
Alcala. 14 to shoot.
bang bang.
Short. Top. Rebound. Pino. Gutierrez.
Bang bang.
Too strong. Bang! Left on the shot now. 38
Orpilia.
to 36.
Orpilia.
Left-handed shot by Opilia. Now Pilarca. Now he's still again on Yo-Yo Man. It's 4-2. Yo-Yo Man. Yo-Yo Man pass to Argonza. Too strong Argonza again. Yo-Yo Man.
Oh!
Pino. Argonza block. Short. Now Rebellia.
Orpilia.
Carried by Rebellia sidestep. Still 1-on-1 now Pilarca. Pilarca alone. Pilarca is stepping on the line on Dubai. It's 5 minutes 30 seconds. It's all 38 to 36. 2-point lead. Oh, no, Malquain.
Napapasok na lahat. Isa kailangan sa baba.
Nawal ka lang. Argonza. Again in and out. Rebound by Busalpa. Busalpa. 1-on-1 by your man. Now Primo. Primo drive, escape. Primo, bang! Basket count on Primo. Substitution up.
Primo. Primo dos.
38 all. It's first team foul of Malquain.
Argonza first.
First on Argonza. It's 38 all. 4 minutes and 38 seconds.
Primo.
Now rebound on top. Yo-Yo Man. Looking for Gutierrez.
Orpilia. Orpilia.
Too strong by Marvilla. Now Primo. 1-on-1 by Kabakang. Looking for Anderson. Anderson escape, drive, hook shot, Anderson short, top. Now Yo-Yo Man. Luntok. Looking for Gutierrez. Gutierrez to Kabakang. Luntok. Open jump, Luntok. Too strong again by Luntok. It's Dubai ball, Dubai. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. 38 all. Third quarter. Second game. Our second match. Dubai versus Malquain. Now Anderson, 14 to shoot. Nice team by Luntok. Yo-Yo Man, the Yo-Yo Man, right, Yo-Yo Man, more fake Yo-Yo Man, traveling violation of the Yo-Yo Man.
Na-carried away siya.
Now Crooks to Anderson. Fake, drive, Anderson, nice pass outside, fake. Primo down, Primo again, rebound on Farbellas. It's 4-on-2. Yo-Yo Man, in and out, Yo-Yo Man, rebound. It's same ball, 3 minutes. 38 all. Turnover again on Omal Queen. It's 38 all. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Timeout. Omal Queen. This is timeout is brought to you by Chooks to Go, Mang Inasal, and Senior San Pedro, Pichon Manok. It's Dubai versus Omal Queen, and our score 38 apiece. Now Crooks. Guarded by Kabakang, Musalpa, 1-1 against the Yo-Yo Man. 14 to shoot. Anderson, Gutierrez, 10. Whoa! Crooks! 14 to 38. It's 2-point lead now on Dubai. Alcala, Gutierrez, 14 to shoot. Now he's still again by Anderson. Anderson to Aquino, all alone by Aquino, now 42. Against the 38. 2 minutes. 14 to shoot.
Ayun.
Black by Busalbo. It's 10 to shoot, 10 seconds to shoot. Kabakang. Again in and out, Busalbo. Now Anderson, it's 2-on-1. Anderson drive, Anderson. Bang! On Anderson. It's 44 to 38. 6-point lead now. On Dubai, Kabakang drive, Kabakang, yes on Kabakang. 40 to 44. It's 4-point lead on Dubai. 1 minute and 7 seconds. Remaining time on the third quarter. Now Busalba. 1-1 by the Yo-Yo Man, Alcala. Anderson spot, short. Oh! Crooks! At the right hand. Now Kabakang grab, Kabakang move, Kabakang short again. Rebound ng Busalba. Now Busalba, it's 4-on-2. Busalba looking for the steal. Gutierrez. Kabakang. All alone. Kabakang for sure. Kabakang. 42 to 46. 25 seconds. Crooks. Bang! Crooks. 15 seconds. Yo-Yo Man, short. 10 seconds. Primo. Short. Top. And over third quarter, our score, it's 48 against the 42, Dubai. And we'd like to thank our sponsors.
Sampu lang ni school nila.
Color Sports, Basketballista, and we'd like to thank our two referees, Referee Jomong and Referee Manuel. Fourth quarter ready, fourth quarter. Omal Queen ball, Omal Queen. Now Kabakam.
Di Guzman.
Di Guzman. Too strong again. Top. Rebound on Pilarca. Pilarca to Anderson. Anderson now. Anderson long three. Too strong. Rebound on Pilarca. Pilarca. Back to Anderson. Anderson again. Too strong. Top. Rebound on Mercado. Now Mercado. Coast to coast. Mercado. Drag attack. Short top. Now Anderson to Crooks all the way. Crooks, 2-1, back to Crooks. Anderson stop. Anderson sidestep, Anderson drive to Crooks. Short. Rebound Busalba. 14 to shoot. Crooks, hey, Crooks! Drive short. Rebound on Mercado. Now Mercado.
Aya.
Pido, in and out, top. Anderson rebound. Again, in and out. It's 8 minutes and 38 seconds. 48 against the 42. Foul. All on number 10. On Omalque. Guzman. First on the Guzman. Fourteen to shoot. 10.
Aywa.
Now Argonza. Pido.
Reserve substitution.
Substitution.
Tama ko, pre. Nakapahinga ka na. Para makapahinga isa-isa. Sub. Bossing.
Inbounding Crooks. Aquino. Crooks. Pilarca. Primo. 10 to shoot. 5. Bang! Aquino. Mercado. Short. Top. Pido. Hey.
Counter.
Foul. Foul on Primo. First on the by.
Primo is second.
Second on Primo. Seven minutes and 12. Top by Pilarca. 7 minutes. Drive ball on Pido. Now 4 on 2. Pido, drive.
Aywa.
Yes, sir, Pido. Now 44 against the 50. Time out on the bye. It's 50 to 44, 6 point lead on the bye.
Ngayon lang sila nag-time out.
And we'd like to thank our sponsors. In 6 minutes and 47 seconds. Still by Argonza. Argonza! Yes, and Argonza! 46 to 50, it's 4 point lead now on the bye. Pilarca. Busalba. In and out. Rebound again on Argonza. Argonza na, it's 5-on-4, looking for Kabaka, black! Whoa, Mercado! 48 against the 50. Nice move, man! Too strong! Now, Kabagang! It's 3-on-1! Pido!
Lontok.
Luntok! Tap!
Pido.
Yes, Pido! Now 50 all! It's 4 minutes and 50 seconds! It's a 6-0 run coming from Omagway. Now, Busalba! 14 to shoot! Pa! Sab! Foul on Luntok! First on Luntok, second first team foul on Omagway. It's 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Wow, Primo! 52 to 50, it's 2-point lead on Dubai. What a ball game! What a game! It's Omagway versus Dubai. Argonza. Luntok. Back to Argonza. Looking for Luntok. Short. Substitution up, 4 minutes. Only 2-point lead on Dubai. It's 52 against the 50. Now Primo.
Good.
Pilar ka? Crocs. Bang on Crocs. 50 for all. Now turnover again on Omagway. It's 3 minutes and 43 seconds. 54 against the 50.
Time out daw.
40 to shoot. 10. 5. 4 to shoot. Two and one, Kabagang. Argonza. Now 2-point lead on Dubai. Primo. Crocs. 14 to shoot. Whoa! Now nice defense. It's Omagway ball. Omagway. 2 minutes and 47 seconds last quarter. And our last game, now Luntok, Pido. And still again on Pilarca, it's 4-on-1. Aquino, tap. It's 3-on-2. Argonza. Block, tap. Argonza again. Short. Luntok. Pido. Yes, and Pido, now 50 for all. 2 minutes and 16 seconds. Aquino. Anderson. Foul. Basket count and 1 on Anderson.
Time out.
On Dubai, it's 56 to 54. 2-point lead on Dubai.
Yan. Kayo? Saan na lang? Hintay mo ito kayo dalawa.
Ras, sino nakafoul?
Saan na lang? Kasi dalawa lang sa court.
Number 1. 20.
Last 2 minutes and 3 seconds. Only 2-point lead on Dubai. It's 56 against the 54. Both teams 2 fouls. Team. Rebound by Atop! Pusalba! Now Argonza! Kabakang! Kabakang God! Kabakang! Wala ko ba Kabakang! 56 all! 1 minute and 50 seconds! Now Crooks! 14 seconds! Short! Rebound on Malaki. Now Kabakang. It's 3 on 2. Kabakang. Still by Pusalba. Pusalba now. 1 minute and 20. Aquino. Bang! On Aquino. Time out.
Nice one!
Oh, no, Malquay. It's 58 to 56. 2-point lead against Dubai.
Both team one power.
1 minute and 20 seconds. Both teams have one time out left. Both teams. Dubai have 1 fouls. 2 for Omar Quaid. It's 1 minute and 20 seconds. 14 the set clock 14. 58 against the 56. Kabakang. Time to shoot. Argonza. Bang! Oh, Argonza. 1 minute and 5 seconds. 58 all. Primo. In and out. Rebound by Omagway. Pido. Now Kabakang. Kabakang 1 and 1. Kabakang. Looking for Pido. Pido drive. Pido escape. Bang on Pido. 16 to 58. 2-point lead on Omagway. Anderson. To Crooks. Crooks. 35 seconds. Anderson. 14 to shoot. Pusalba. Black. Wow! 25 seconds.
Wala pa.
20 seconds.
Last shot, tol. Last shot. Last shot tayo, tol.
60 all. 15.
Last shot tayo, tol. Last shot. 13.
10.
Oh my goodness.
Screen!
Oh, 5 seconds.
3, 2, 1.
And all again. Wow, winner. Oh, Malquain is 62 against the 60.